In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a checkout form in Squarespace. This guide will help you customize your online store's checkout process with ease and precision, ensuring a smooth experience for your customers. Let's get started by navigating to your Squarespace homepage. Once there, take a moment to appreciate the minimalist design and intuitive interface that Squarespace offers. Next, direct your attention to the Settings menu. A simple click opens up a world of customization options, but our focus today will be on improving the e-commerce capabilities of your site. Now, within the settings, look for the section labeled Selling. Clicking on it will lead you to more specialized options tailored for commerce settings. This is where you'll find the tools to adjust and refine your store's selling parameters. Among the options under Selling, you'll see Checkout. That's your next destination. The checkout settings are key to managing your customers' purchasing process. Here, you'll decide what additional information you need from your customers during checkout. Let's delve deeper by selecting Additional Fields. This option allows you to gather more data during the transaction process. Think carefully about what information you might need to enhance customer service or to fulfill orders efficiently. Now, find the checkbox labeled Enable Custom Checkout Form and make sure it's checked. This action will unlock the ability to fully customize your form, tailoring it to your business's specific needs. With the custom form enabled, click on Edit Custom Form. This is your personal canvas where you can create a checkout experience that reflects your brand's identity. Start by typing in a name for your form. It could be something straightforward like Customer Information, which clearly indicates what the form is intended for. Next, you'll want to add individual fields to your form. The Add Form Field button is your gateway to shaping the form. Here, you can decide what information is essential for your business model. Maybe you need specific delivery instructions or would like to include a field for gift wrapping notes. Whatever you choose, ensure it's meaningful and adds value to you or the customer. Once you're satisfied with your customizations, be sure to click on Save. Saving your work is crucial to ensure all the modifications you made are securely stored and ready to use. By following these steps, you have successfully created a custom checkout form in Squarespace. Remember, a thoughtfully designed checkout form can enhance user experience and ultimately lead to better customer retention. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and enjoy the seamless integration of your new checkout features. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore further customization options Squarespace offers to maximize your online store's potential.